Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica. Today we are doing an unboxing for the June 2026 Sew Sampler box. So I do apologize. I know this unboxing is just a little bit late, but I am going to be doing a giveaway for everything in the box. So hopefully that makes up for it a little bit. Let's go ahead and dive right in. We're going to take a look at the June 2026 Sew Sampler box. If you're unfamiliar with Sew Sampler boxes, they are monthly sewing and quilting subscription boxes put out by Fat Quarter Shop. I will put a link on where you can get this box below the video. Just click the more link for more information. All right, let's go ahead and take a look and see what's inside the June box. So the theme for this month's box is called Making Waves. There is a promo code on the back for 25% off Elizabeth Hartman patterns, and then there are a few other QR codes on there as well for some alternate pattern ideas. And the other thing that is in this month's box is our monthly sew along spooled quilt along block. This is block number 3. And if you're unfamiliar with the boxes, they do come with a sew along in them each month. So we're on block number 3. Once you get all 12 blocks, they put out finishing information, and they may still have finishing kits and fabric available at Fat Quarter Shop as well, so you can check their website. I'm going to be doing a giveaway for everything in this box except for this pattern. I bundle all these up for the 12 months along with the finishing, and then I do a giveaway for all these patterns for one of you. So here is what block number 3 in the spooled quilt along looks like. It does say that they still have limited quilt kits available on their website, so you can check that out for more information. You can also get this pattern on the Fat Quarter Shop website. They retail for $4.98. All right, the first thing in our box is some thread. This is 50 weight Superior Pima silver cotton thread. It's 1,200 yards, values at $12.98, and it says, every great wave starts with a strong current. This thread is ready to carry your stitches right along. The Superior Pima 50 weight cotton thread in silvery white feels perfectly at home among the ocean-inspired blues and sunny brights. Smooth, steady, and reliable, it glides through your machine like a whale cruising open waters. With no snags, no fuss, just beautifully balanced stitches every time, whether you're piecing your patchwork pod or adding finishing touches, the subtle staple keeps everything in sync. And I love reading off of the little inserts in here. They're always super creative with their descriptions, but I have not tried the Pima cotton thread. So leave me a comment below and let me know if you've tried this thread. I tend to be an Aurifil thread girl. That is all I use, and I just buy it in the giant cones. So I don't know, I haven't tried this brand. Let me know what you think about it if you've had a chance to try it out. Okay, the next thing in our box are some Schmetz Chrome Quilting Sewing Machine needles. 9014 is the size. They value at $6.48. I love these needles. This is the size that my Juki prefers, so I always use this size as well. And it says, sharp, sleek, and ready to dive deep, these Schmetz Chrome quilting needles are designed to glide through layers with ease. Their chrome finish adds extra strength while helping stitches stay crisp, clean, and precise from start to finish. Whether you're piecing together your patchwork pod or quilting those final rolling waves, these needles handle every layer smoothly and effortlessly. It's a shining little star in your sewing sea that helps every project come together beautifully. And then the next thing we have is this cute needle minder. So it's a magnet on the back. Elizabeth Hartman's Casserole Enamel Needle Minder, values at $11.98. This is a Sew Sampler exclusive, meaning I do not believe you can get it in the shop. And I'm holding it upside down. There we go. It says, fuel up with a cozy casserole, then settle in to make waves. This charming enamel needle minder by Elizabeth Hartman brings a warm, homey touch to your sewing space while keeping your needle right where you need it. Featuring her iconic casserole quilt block, this trusty little helper stays put while you stitch away. Equal parts practical and playful, this Sew Sampler exclusive proves that even the smallest notions can make a splash. And I don't usually use these for my binding because I do machine binding, but I do use mine for cross stitch. So it's got a magnet on the back there, and you can just magnet it onto your project and then put your needle on there, and it stays placed so you can always find your needle. All right, the pattern that we've been talking about so far is called the Sunset Whales quilt pattern. This is by Elizabeth Hartman as well. This is also a Sew Sampler exclusive, values for $11.98, and it looks like they have finishing kits available, and there is a QR code on the little insert here so you can get to the finishing kit. The Sunset Whales quilt pattern by Elizabeth Hartman features a playful pod of gentle giants swimming across calm waters while cheerful suns peak above the horizon. Bold shapes and clean lines make each whale stand out, while the repeating layout creates a soothing rhythm, modern, whimsical, and full of personality. This pattern shows off bright prints in a quilt that's sure to make waves. This quilt looks like it finishes at 42 by 42, so it's kind of a small little wall hanging, or you could do it for a kid's quilt. There's a few other things that you need. Doesn't look like it's anything super hard, actually. It looks relatively easy. and fairly beginner friendly. All right, I also have a bonus pattern in here. This is Fall Breeze Autumn Leaves pattern. I don't know if they've just been putting bonus patterns in my boxes, so I don't know. This says Sew Sampler exclusive from the Sew Sampler Vault. It was originally published in November of 2019. It's not on, there's a photo here, but it's not on my insert with any information about it. So I think they're just clearing out their vault and just passing out some extra goodies to their subscribers. So this quilt looks really fun, relatively easy. It finishes at 48 by 48. All right, and then our fabric for this month's box is this cute Fat Eighth bundle. This is Sunset Wales Scenery by Elizabeth Hartman for Moda. This is valuing at $34.98, and it says Glide into Summer with Scenery by Elizabeth Hartman for Moda Fabrics, where cheerful color and playful prints swim together in harmony. Deep ocean blues mingle with vibrant corals and breezy sea glass greens, creating a collection that feels like sunshine sparkling across the waves. Tiny geometric prints add gentle ripples of texture, making every fabric feel lively and full of movement. Whether you're stitching something simple or diving into the Sunset Wales quilt pattern with this curated set of 12 Fat Eights, this collection is ready to make waves. And then they have all of these colorways that you can see. But I don't want to open this because I'm going to be giving it away, and this is like a sealed plastic package, so I just didn't want to ruin the packaging for the giveaway. All right, so that's everything that came in this month's box. I did add it up for you. The retail value is $83.37. The boxes are $34.99 or $35.99 plus shipping. They did increase the price, I believe, in April, so you're probably paying that higher box price. However, the value contents is pretty good, and that price didn't even include the cost of the acorn pattern because it's not even listed on the contents. So get an extra pattern in there for that. So it's pretty good value for your money. So for today's giveaway, I am going to be running it in our Sew With Me group on Facebook. I will put a link below this video on where you can get to that group to enter to win the giveaway, and just look for the photo of all of the products that you saw here. It'll say giveaway on it, and you can comment there to enter to win that giveaway. I've been doing it over there because it's just a lot easier to control the spammers. We had a lot of spam happening here, so it was just really difficult to monitor here on YouTube, unfortunately. So head over to my Facebook group called Sew With Me, join the group, answer the questions, join the group, and then you can enter to win today's giveaway. All right, that's gonna be it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming fun, including giveaways like this. And good luck on the giveaway over in my Facebook group. Thanks so much for joining me today, and I will see you in the next video. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica. Today is launch, okay. All right, so the theme for this month is called Making Waves. Yep, making waves. Whether you're piecing together your patchwork, whether you're peaching, well, I'm in the middle of a sentence, literally.
Yeah, but you stuttered, and I always wait out of pure kindness.
Thank you, appreciate that.
You stuttered before I barge in.
Okay. Don't smash my bag. Thank you. Where was I? But it says, dive into sunset stitched with whales and warm summer skies. The Sunset Wales quilt pattern by Elizabeth Hartman features a playful pod of gentle giants swimming across calm waters while cheerful, hello,